In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email receipts to Expensify. If you use Expensify to track business or personal expenses, being able to email receipts directly into the system can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually entering every detail, you simply send an email, and Expensify takes care of scanning and organizing the information for you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to go in your Expensify account to find the special email address you'll use for sending those receipts. First, start by logging into your Expensify account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section where your expense reports are listed. From there, click on Report. This takes you into the report view, where you can see existing expense reports or start adding new expenses. Think of this area as the home base for everything related to your spending records. Next, inside that report view, you'll want to add a new expense. To do that, click on Create Expense. This is the button Expensify uses whenever you want to manually add something like a meal, a flight, or a purchase you need to be reimbursed for. Even though we're ultimately going to email receipts, this is the path that leads you to the scanning options, including the email address you need. Once you've clicked Create Expense, you'll see different ways to add your receipt. Look for the option labeled Scan and click on it. The Scan feature is what lets Expensify automatically read and interpret your receipt details, such as the merchant, date, title, and total amount. This is where the magic happens when you email receipts in, because they get processed by the same scanning engine. On the scan page, you should now see a dedicated email address provided by Expensify. This is the address where you'll forward your receipt emails. At this point, you can either copy this email address so you can paste it into your email client later, or if there's a clickable email link, you can select it to open a new message directly. A helpful tip is to save this address in your contacts under a clear name, like Expensify Receipts, so you don't have to look it up every time. From now on, whenever you receive a receipt in your inbox, simply forward it to that Expensify address, and it will automatically show up in your account, ready to be reviewed and added to your reports.